Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Welcome to Achievers Entertainment. The year 2020 was supposed to mark the end of one decade, but this year had a couple of surprises hidden under its lips. Here are the main events of the year. Australian bushfire from December 2019 to March 2020. Stock market crash 2020. On January 30, the COVID-19 pandemic was confirmed to have spread to India from China. The first case of COVID-19 was spotted in the state Kerala. From February 23 to 29, at least 53 people are killed in communal riots in parts of Delhi. February 24 and 25, US President Donald Trump visited India for a 2-day state visit addressed a Namaste or Welcome Trump event with Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Ahmedabad. Toured Mahatma Gandhi Sabarmati Ashram and the Taj Mahal at Agra, received a formal welcome from President Ramnath Kovind at the Rashtrapati Bhavan Presidential Palace in New Delhi, conducted a series of meetings with Prime Minister Modi and other government officials as well as Indian business executives. On March 22, Janta Curfew, India observed a 14 hours lockdown to prevent the spread of COVID-19 pandemic. On March 23, Prime Minister Modi announced a 21 days lockdown throughout India until 14 April to curb the spread of coronavirus.
देश आज एक महत्वपूर्ण निर्णय करने जा रहा है। आज रात 12 बजे से पूरे देश में, ध्यान से सुनिए, पूरे देश में आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है।
In April, India remained under an extended lockdown throughout the month of April to check the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic in the country. May 5, skirmishes began between India and China. Several Indian and Chinese soldiers were injured in a cross-border clash at the Nathula crossing. About 150 soldiers were involved in the face-off. In May 7, 13 people lost their lives in a gas leak incident at a chemical plant in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. May 20, Cyclone Amphan hit the eastern part of the India and led to flood-like situation in many southeastern states. From June 2 to 4, Cyclone Nisarga hit the western coast of India, causing damage in the state of Maharashtra. In June 14, a heartbreaking situation was for all the Indians or Bollywood industry, you can say. Bollywood star Sushant Singh Rajput found dead at his Bandra residence in Mumbai. In June 15 and 16, 20 Indian Army personnel, including a commanding officer, were killed in action in the ongoing face-off between India and China at LAC in the Galwan Valley of Ladakh. In June 29, Indian government bans 59 Chinese apps including TikTok, Cam Scanner, ShareIt and UC browsers due to ongoing Sino-Indian border tensions. In July 10, wanted criminal Vikas Dubey encountered. July 17, number of confirmed cases of COVID-19 reached to 1 million. July 21, ongoing floods in Brahmaputra River in the state of Assam. August 4, 2020, Beirut explosion. August 5, Narendra Modi performed Bhumi Pujan and laid the foundation stone of the Ram Temple at Ayodhya. August 7, Air India Express Flight 1344 crashed at Calicut International Airport, Kerala. At least 19 people lost their lives, including 2 pilots and 17 passengers. August 28, 2020, Chadwick Boseman's death. September 14, 3 bills on agriculture reforms were introduced in the parliament to replace the ordinances issued during the lockdown on June 5. Joe Biden becomes president of US.